Hello, my beautiful people. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make suya pepper. This is actually Nigerian suya pepper, but I made this with just groundnuts, not with kulikuli because I could not find kulikuli. So let's jump in and keep watching. If you're new to my channel, this is KSF Kelly TV. Here we talk about everything. We read news, we talk about marriages, we laugh at people, we mock people, and we also get serious. Here, all opinions are welcome. All comments are welcome. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notification from us. Hello, it's me again, your girl Chris of Kelly K Chitu. So today I will be showing you guys suya pepper today because I actually wanted to eat suya, so I was craving for suya and I was like, okay. And my suya pepper is like almost finished, so I was like, okay, after let's go. I'm gonna be showing you everything I use, most especially for we in Europe that can't actually buy suya pepper, or maybe the one they brought for you from home is finished or things like that. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so presently I have now the granules. So you can just buy normal granules that is already roasted though, okay, and salted. But I also just decided to re-roast it again. So while I'm roasting it, I will be adding now I just want to put very little few crayfish. Okay, this one I actually did myself also, to have a video of it where I did it myself. So I just wanted to roast them together. Okay, so yeah, that one is on one side. So but on this you will need then now something that isn't sticky, and then we have the alligator pepper, we have the mango cube, and then we have here the dried onion. We'll be blending them though. And then we have the this is nutmeg. Okay, so it's actually called calabash nutmeg. And then we have here the ginger powder, we have the garlic powder. This garlic powder is quite different from the one they sell in the supermarket. This one is not yet, it's not really smooth, and the odor is quite different. This is like, I don't know how they dry this one to make it a garlic powder, but I prefer this one from Africa. Okay, yeah. So and then definitely we have our pepper, grounded pepper, and we have our salt. So let's go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this, which is the peanuts. I will now be putting it in here because we actually blend it. I'll be roasting out these ones. So why is there roasting? Okay, this is it. Why is there roasting? Now I have to bring out my blender. So I can also put the alligator pepper also. Still roasting. Why it's roasting? So let me start with the peanuts and the crayfish. Yeah, now it's really dry. I just decided to put in some few crayfish. Okay, so it's not really necessary, you must not. Okay, this is how it looks though, so, which is not bad. Okay, so now I'll be putting in the calabash nutmeg inside here. So let me. So the alligator pepper is actually still here. The odor is nice. Okay, so I added the 4 cubes of mango. So So this is how it looks now, which is the mangi and the calabash nutmeg. So this is it. This is how it looks, the mangi and the calabash nutmeg. And now it's time also now to blend the alligator pepper. You don't need to add too much because it might be bitter, you know, if you add too much of it. So it's already been roasted and now on blending. So that now is, I will now be adding the onion, dried onion inside. You know, so now since it's dried, okay, so this is now the outcome. See, now it's no longer sticky. So now in here I have the alligator pepper and the grounded dried onion together. Calabash nutmeg inside again. So now we have now the calabash nutmeg, we have the alligator pepper, and we have the mangi, because here is the granite and the crayfish. Okay, so which is very little. So now we're using the mixing blender, not the one for grounding now. Now we just have to take few of it. Don't want it to be like extremely pepper. So and then now I will now also be adding the ginger powder and also the garlic powder. You see, this one is quite different from the other one. And another thing again we have to add again now is salt. So you don't want it to be too salty. So this now is perfect already. Yeah. So this is it. I think it's still not really mixed yet. I still have to like mix again. Oh, sorry, I actually didn't know I've been recording without a play. Okay, so I mixed now already here. I mixed already now the part of the granules, and then I mix also part of the ginger, the garlic and salt with pepper, grounded pepper ready. And then I also had also some of the onion, and then the alligator pepper, and then a little bit of salt, and the mangi. Yes, the mangi is also here, and then with calabash nutmeg. So in here we have just the granite and the crayfish. So oh wow, now I love it. I love the taste of it. This is the one I did before that is actually quite almost finished. You see, it's not much inside again. So now I can now start transferring, but this one is already mixed, so I have to transfer it in here before I do the next batch of mixing. So for the now, this is the half portion that I did already. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and please like, share and comment. Okay, and you also see the video of the suya, how I do the suya. Thank you all. God bless.